1120, turn right heading at 330.
Right turn 330, Mark 1120.
Skyway 6435, descend to 1,800, expect to turn in about 5 miles. 435, turn right heading 250, descend to 2,000.
50 down to 2000, Skyway 435.
Spirit Wings 867, you're 6 miles from Fumble. Turn right heading of 050, maintain 2,000, correction to maintain 1,800 till established localizer. Clear for ILS runway 7 right approach.
Alright, 050, 1800 till established, clear for the...
United 1222, you can resume normal speed. Contact tower now, 120.905. Take care.
2095, normal speed. Good day, United 1222.
Sky 2660, maintain 180 knots or greater until Allison. Contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9.
Alright, 339, 180 to Allison, Skyway 2616. Thank you.
Southwest 4041, turn right heading of 050, you're 5 miles from Fumble. 1,800 till established localizer. Cleared ILS runway 7 right approach.
050, join 1.8 till established, clear for the ILS 7 right approach, Southwest 4841.
At base standards 1120, you'll turn base in about 3 miles. You're following a heavy 767 cautionary turbulence. They turn their base and final down at 1,800.
Okay, thank you, Mark 1120.
Delta 1584, you're 5 miles from Fumble. Turn right heading 050, maintain 1,800 till established localizer. Clear for ILS runway 7 right approach.
Right to 050, 1800 till established, we're cleared for the ILS 7 right, Delta 1584.
Delta 1584, turn right heading of 240. Descend and maintain 1,800.
Right turn to 240, descend to 1,800, Delta 1584.
Wind chill is 600 heavy, contact tower 120.95.
Tower 120.905, not 0.
Southwest 159, just cross OTSAT or above 3,000 and your cleared ILS to 6 right approach.
OTSAT or above 3,000, cleared to 6 right approach, Southwest 159.
Sky 5316, 2 miles from Allison, maintain 2,000, will establish cleared ILS runway 6 left, ready speed at 200.
200, 2000, so established, clear for the ILS 6 left approach, Scout 5316.
Skyway 6523, you're 7 from Fumble. Turn right heading 060, maintain 2,000 to establish. Cleared ILS 7 right approach.
Right turn 060, maintain 2,000 to establish, clear for the ILS 7 right approach, 6523. Flash Scout 5316.
Sky 5316, caution wake curvature and trail to 757, ready speed to 170.
170, Scout.
0. FX 803 heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Base 803 heavy down to 3,000.
Base 803 heavy, you're 8 miles from Fumble. Cleared ILS runway 7 right approach.
And 03 heavy ILS 7 right.